Hi, Mr. Lemaster here. Let's start with the question. Use the marking tool to identify where the author restates the main idea. All right, restates is to say it again, to tell us maybe in a different way, and a restatement usually happens towards the end of the text. So this is called the magnificent moon, and you can't answer this question without reading the entire passage. So we want to read through the whole passage, and then towards the bottom, you're going to notice that there's a restatement of the main idea. Now, this person is definitely fond of the moon and is given this trait, the magnificent moon. So what we want to look for as a restatement is something that is praising or really I guess something positive about the moon, okay? So the moon is part of life on Earth, and that sounds positive, but that's not really what this article is about, so that's not a restatement. It is also part of our myths and folk tales. Well, that's definitely not a restatement because there's not a lot of conversation about myths and folk tales. The moon brings light to the dark night and hangs high in the daytime sky. And that's just a really pretty line. That's not the restatement. The moon is an impressive object in space. Okay, impressive object. And I go back up to the magnificent moon and I learn about all these things about the moon, about the tides and about the rock and about how large it is. And I say, okay, this has got to be a restatement of the main idea. And so the moon is an impressive object in space. That's going to be marked in, and that is the answer.